Good morning, crafty friends. I'm so excited to share with you a quick project that I made as a guest design team project for Rosa Kelly Scrapbooking.com. She contacted me the other day and she asked me if I wanted to join in a quick little hop. Where we create something using her boy or girl school days collection. And I said, heck yes. And of course, I have a boy and a girl, so I mixed mine together. Okay, so, but you'll see that in just a minute. But let me explain to you. This little hop is with Rosa Kelly as our host, Debbie Adams, Creative Life by Deborah, and myself. So, just want to let you know that Rosa is giving away 6 collections, 2 on her channel, 2 on Deborah Adams' channel, and 2 on my channel. So that means you can pick either the boy or the girl if you are the winner. So in order to win, you have to be 18 and up, you have to be a visible subscriber, and also you have to comment, like, and subscribe on all 3 channels to be eligible to win. Now, I have one little extra thing that I want you to add for mine in order to enter, so I know you are interested and want to win. All you have to do is say the word school days anywhere in the comment and you will be entered to win. Okay, so let me go through really quick what I did. So this little flip album is just a binder clip flip album. So easy. I used jumbo binder clips because I thought it'd be easier to turn the pages, especially for my kids when they want to add stuff in here. I decided to keep it primary colors for school. And I love the little, I love football trim. I love baseball. And of course we have, the primary color trims. I just love, love, love. The only thing I didn't have was any green trim. I know, crazy, right? Why don't I have green trim? I don't know. But anyway, so let me go to the first page. So this is from the girls collection. And I want to let you know that I printed these out on my HP printer. Okay. If you're interested in the printer that I use, because the colors come out great. And also they have a little program where you can have the ink sent to you each month. So you just pay a minimal fee. I think it starts at $3.99 and goes up to $9.99. So that's completely up to you. And since I go through a lot of ink, I thought I definitely need to do that subscription. So anyway, then I put it in my Cricut and I went ahead and cut out these little clouds using their print and cut. Okay, so basically you print it out on your printer and then it automatically knows to where to cut it because you actually set it up in your Cricut. Anyway, I'm sure you all are familiar with that. I'm fairly new to it and I love it. So I turned it into a little shaker and I use these little polymer slices of little smiley faces. They're so cute. And also the fruit slices because I just picked out the apples and I kind of threw them in there. I don't know if you can see those? They're so cute. Anyway, then the little cloud pieces that were cut out here, I just went ahead and moved them over here above the skull. Then I also used the cut apart / ephemera and glued on the butterfly, 3 little kites, another butterfly, and I did cut out this part right here myself. And then I just love the school. It is so stinking cute. And the little girl riding her bicycle. I mean, oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, then on page number 2, I decided to make this a little boy page. This is a little file folder from, I think, Sizzix. And then I just went ahead and clipped it on there. And here is another one of the cut aparts. And I actually did minimize these to make them a little bit smaller to fit in my album. Oh, by the way, my album is 7 inches wide by 7.5 inches long. I wanted that extra ½ inch for the binder. Then right here, I just love the white with the yellow polka dots and the little girl here reading. It is so cute. And then again, I cut this little school out on the Cricut and then popped it up on a foam dot. And then right here, I had a cloud die cut that I used, and I believe that was an Echo Park die cut. Again, here's the little girl. I popped her up too on some foam. I created this little bow, added a little gemmy. These little frames right here, photo frames, are from Hobby Lobby. So they come in a package, so definitely check that out. These little tags I cut out, and again, these are little Sizzix tags, and I love the little black and white flower paper. So cute. And the little sunflowers are from the Dollar Tree. And again, this trim, all this trim was from Hobby Lobby, by the way. Right here we have the little school bus that I glued on here. I popped up the school again. As you can tell, I really love school, right? I couldn't get enough of it. And then here we have the little butterfly. And I love how she included the graduation little boy. I mean, my kids aren't graduating yet, but I still thought it was really cute. Then, of course, they have these little cut aparts that my kids can write on. It says first day of school, all about blank grade. So like first grade, second grade, whatever. My teacher is my favorite subject, sports I played, my best friends, and my favorite memory. And you can just add photos on the back, which is probably what I'm going to do. Then I have another file folder. So cute. Made a little pocket, and this little die right here is from Lawn Fawn. I can tell you that right here. Then just another one of the Sizzix tag dies. Now, this is what I really love about this particular school. Right here, she had it set up where you can cut out the windows, the door, the school, and the bell. So it all just lays right on top. It is so stinking cute. So you'll see when you get the collection. You're going to love it, guys. And then, again, I just added this little girl here, too. She's just so cute, sitting there on a stack of books, reading with her little apple. I mean, gosh, guys, you can't get any cuter than this. Then right here, we have another file folder. I added another cut apart on here, just glued it on there. And I kind of thought that it went along with this page, and that's why I put her here. And the same with the light blue color. I kind of thought it went with the pastel looking colors. I added another bow for the girl's hair and a little gemmy in there. And then, of course, I have the little butterfly, and I just love how she's just, playing on her laptop there. Then we have another little girl. She's reading as well, and I love her glasses. I'm all about glasses, okay? I don't know why. Maybe because I have to wear glasses now, probably. So then we have the little hearts here. And then again, we have for my daughter to go ahead and write information about her class. Then I thought this was really fun. I just want to let you know that I actually did create this in Adobe to be able to cut out the 2020. And I wanted it where it was kind of like window numbers so that you could actually see. And then, but next time I will definitely for sure, I did trace around this with a marker, but next time I will make sure that I have a heavier blue line. That way, it'll be outlined itself because I'm not the best writer or whatever. My hands shake a lot. I don't know why. But anyway, we have two little butterflies, and I have sophomore and junior year because my daughter's a sophomore, my son's a junior, and then I have a little boy and a little girl here. So guys, this collection is so stinking adorable. I hope you definitely check out her store, and I'm going to have all the links down below so that you can check this out and definitely buy it, guys. It is so stinking cute, and it's so easy to create little gifts for the teachers or for your kids or whatever you want to do to be able to create memories or anything else like that. I hope you all have a wonderful and fabulous day. Again, guys, don't forget to subscribe. I've noticed that a lot of people have been watching, but they're not subscribers. And so it just really helps out my channel, and I just love creating for you. So anyway, again, comment, like, and subscribe. Hope you all have a wonderful and fabulous day, guys. Bye.